guys, we are meeting again in another video of the exciting PVcase software training. Today we are talking about how to lay the DC cables on the PV modules, how we do the stringing on the structures, DC stringing, just DC stringing. Today we just talking about the DC stringing, wasting our time, move on to the our main lectures. Yes, you see that there are the electrical design option there. Electrical design there options. Just click there. Now they give us the different options. The stringing, electrical devices, color coding, cabling. I will make every lecture on different options. Now today we are talking about just stringings. You see that there are the different options: type, directions, string area, de-stringing. I will give you options. Stringing row, you can make the strings like on the leapfrog, U shape, or custom. What you want? Or single row, just single row like positive on the one side, negative on the other side. You can see make string like that. U shape, positive, negative on the same side. And the custom is basically the the leapfrog topology. We use like the frog options. One and the skip the second modules, connect to the third one like that. Left to right or right to left. What you orientation to want to the direction of the cable. The string area. You have to string area string frame. If you want to string area like the overall this area whole or just one frame, what you want. And D string, if you have a string some area, some block mounting structure, but you want to de-string frame, you can do that. Just I am just giving the custom. Now I will give the name like 1P28. Select frame option. Select frame options. You can see that. Now I just click there. It gives the positive control, press control, and the next one is the row. You can see that. If I will, you can see that it will be the leapfrog topology. Positive, then the third one, then the third one, then the third one. It's like that. Like same, I will do positive, control press, and then the negative. And now I have make these options. Select frames because in the PV area we have to give the positive and negative on the same on the road sides. So that's why I will select the frames. And I have selected these frames. You can see that they place the positive negative, place the positive negative every strings. You can see that. You can see that. Now I will make another. Just go there, add, create a new one. 1P28, right. Select frame. Go there, select these options, press, long press, control, and then negative. Same like that. Positive, control, long press, click there, and then the negative. This will. Now select frame. You can control. Select these this will automatically generate the stringings. You can see that. If you want to destring, deframe, just select like that options. Select these strings. You can see that they have destringing. And if you want another again this stringing, just select this and this option. So today our topic is regarding these stringings. We will meet again in the next topic tomorrow. If you are new on my channels, kindly subscribe to my channels. If you like the videos, kindly share with your friends, your colleagues. If anyone want to learn the PVKs, click the bell icons. If you click the bell icon, you get the updated videos from my channels as soon when I will upload on the YouTube channel. Bye. We will meet again in the next video.